Millennium is an album by industrial artists Frontline Assembly, released in 1994 by Roadrunner Records on both compact disc and LP formats. Release: the album was re-released on July 30, 2007 by Polish record label Metal Mind Productions as a limited 2-disc remastered edition. The second disc of which contains all of the remixes and B-sides from the Millennium and Surface Patterns singles. The re-release was issued on golden discs and was limited to 2,000 copies and numbered. The track Surface Patterns is featured on the soundtrack album of 1995 American horror film Hideaway. Singles: the release of the Millennium single preceded the release of the album. The single contains 3 remixes of the title song. Non-album track Transtime uses a sample from the song Home Computer, which was released by German electronic music band Kraftwerk on their 1981 album Computer World. Transtime is also featured on the compilation album Monument. The video clip that was shot for the track Millennium was filmed in Seattle and Chicago. The second single Surface Patterns features 3 remixes of the title track and non-album track Internal Combustion. The cardboard case is mislabeled Surface Patterns on the spine. See also Disc 2 and track listing. Musical style: shifting from the electronic music-dominated style of Frontline Assembly's former works, Millennium makes heavy use of metal guitars. "We just wanted to do a different kind of record and just basically broadened our sound and our appeal," Bill Leeb said in an interview with Chaos Control about the change in sound, adding, "We also wanted to challenge the fans that we have, the listeners, because I've always been a die-hard purist in electronic music. I mean, if I could change, I thought anybody else could too." Some of the guitar sounds are used as looped samples, some are played live in the studio. A further addition to Frontline Assembly's sound on Millennium is Rap on Victim of a Criminal. Samples: Millennium borrows guitar riffs from several metal songs: Millennium, Division of Mind, A New Level, Pantera, Vulgar Display of Power. Surface Patterns, Walk, Pantera, Vulgar Display of Power, Don't Tread on Me, Metallica, Victim of a Criminal, Dead Embryonic Cells, Sepultura, Arise. There are also samples from songs of other bands: Vigilante, Esperanto, Electric Music, Esperanto. Millennium, Get Right With Me, Depeche Mode, Songs of Faith and Devotion. Search and Destroy, NASA Arab, Coil vs. The Eschaton, NASA Arab, Religion, Pussy Whipped Mix, Front 242 6:21 and 3 seconds 11 Upheaval. Sex Offender, Shout, US Remix, Tears for Fears, Songs from the Big Chair. The album contains several voice and effect samples from a number of films, including these, Falling Down, to which at least the first track is also thematically related. Alien 3, Full Metal Jacket, The Fly, Darkman, The Abyss, Hellraiser 3, Hell on Earth, Kafka, Army of Darkness, Evil Dead 2. Fire in the Sky, Reservoir Dogs. Track listing: all tracks written by Bill Leeb and Rhys Fulber, except where noted. Personnel: Frontline Assembly, Bill Leeb, Programming, Vocals, Rhys Fulber, Programming. Additional musicians: Devin Townsend, Guitar, 1, 7, 10. Don Harrison, Guitar, 4, 9. Chi the Minister of Defense, Vocals, 6. Technical personnel: Greg Reilly, Engineering, Mixing. Delwyn Brooks, Assistant Engineering. Brian Gardner, Mastering. Dave McKean, Design, Illustration, Photography. Chart Positions and Awards. Chart Positions. Awards. Millennium was nominated for the Juno Awards of 1995 in the category Best Hard Rock Album. References: